Hey everyone, we're Simon and Maddie. Welcome to our Vietnam series. Over the next 2 weeks, we're traveling through Vietnam with our friends Daryl and Bridget, making our way from the north to the south. How good is this?
Along the way, we'll navigate chaotic streets,
Do not hesitate.
explore ancient temples, and take in breathtaking landscapes from towering mountains to winding rivers.
This is so cool.
And on top of that, we'll experience the warmth of the people, the rich culture, history, and of course the incredible food and coffee.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Our last full day in Vietnam.
We're starting the morning coming to the cafe apartment, and this cafe is Good Day.
Good day.
So we've ordered milk teas and croissants, and we're just waiting for those now. We have a nice view of the city. Oh, this is on the second top floor.
Yeah.
You had to get the elevator up and you have to pay an elevator fee.
$3,000 per person, but all the cafe here refund you the elevator fee if you purchase something.
Yeah.
That looks like the Avengers Tower just there. Avengers Assemble.
Cheers.
Pretty good.
It's not my favourite.
It's quite nice. I like it. It's good boba. You get more of that tea flavour here.
Yeah.
It's not just milk and sugar.
Yeah. I do like it. It's just not my favourite one with the fish kui. Okay.
Croissant test. Pretty good. How yours?
Good. Just a normal croissant with stuff on top, I think. Whoa. Oh, need a bigger plate.
That's where we were. Good day. That was pretty good.
It was pretty good. Quite a few little funky, cool
Cafes.
cafes and little shops.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I liked it.
Every level there's like different cafes.
Yeah.
And they're all decorated pretty nicely.
Yeah. They're very like,
Unique.
yeah. I wonder if we can go into it. There's not a whole lot of people going in.
Pretty nice.
Whoa! I don't know what they are.
What's that yield?
Catfish.
Maybe.
They got like the whiskers. I don't really know.
Oh,
Wow.
No photos inside.
No photos inside. That's pretty nice in there.
Can't film in there.
Yeah.
No photos or videos.
Yeah. Lots of different rooms.
And an upstairs section. Alright, so we finished up at the Jade Emperor Pagoda.
Yeah.
Now we're in Japanese town. It's like Chinatown but Japanese town.
But with Vietnam flags all down it.
Yeah. Feel like you're in Japan? Too many scooters still.
Yeah, and like Vietnamese flags everywhere. There's Japanese restaurants and that cat's Japanese. Oh, that's Japanese cheesecake. Oh, very
Looks fluffy.
cake. Look at the cake. So we have walked to the Saigon Skydeck and we're going to see if we can go up it.
Yeah.
It's very big, isn't
Yeah,
it?
pretty big. I
Yeah.
can't even see it now. I'm at the bottom of it.
Yeah.
The tower is called the Icon 68.
Yep, that's what it said on the door. It's nice and cool in here. Wonder what's on all the levels, or if it's just like...
I've seen songs on the levels.
Yeah, that's what's on all the levels.
Amazon.
It's like businesses, looks like.
49th floor. Observation deck.
How do we get there? To go to the observation deck, we need to go out and go right and then go in somewhere.
It is called the Skydeck.
This is the real entrance. It actually says Saigon Skydeck, ticket and entrance. 240.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, pretty nice tickets. Right, let's go up. We're going up to the 49th floor.
Apparently there used to be a bar up there and it
It
closed
closed
4 years ago.
because of
since
COVID. Yep. Oh, it's very bright. White. Very high up. So there's the cafe where we had breakfast at this morning. Free water.
Yeah, for the water. Density of the buildings.
Whoa, over this bit.
Very dense.
Yeah, all in that bit.
Top 20 iconic buildings of the world.
Empire State.
Beijing.
Mm-hmm. Germany. Thailand. Number 5, Ho Chi Minh.
So that.
Actually, I haven't seen very many of these.
It's not the tallest buildings in the world.
No,
I've been
it's
to a few of those.
most iconic.
Yes.
So the building is in the shape of a blossoming lotus. So it's shaped as a lotus bud, combines blossoming of Vietnamese traditional culture with the nation's progressive aspirations of today. Okay, finished up at the Skydeck. Pretty cool, got a view of the whole city. And now we're going to go to the Book Street.
The Book Street.
Yeah.
At the Book Street, looking at books. I got a fresh cut after the Book Street, and now we're going to a water puppet show.
Yeah.
This might be it.
Right here.
Is it? Golden Dragon?
Oh yeah, Vietnamese water puppets.
Yeah.
I don't know what to expect.
Got tickets?
Yeah. I don't know what to expect. Is it serious? Is it funny? Is it...
No, just water puppets. It's a pretty big theatre.
Yeah.
Anh này bà con ơi, tôi gia đình có phải sân xanh không nhỉ? Không, sân xanh ai biết là ai.
Trên
finished. The
Yeah.
water puppet show.
I didn't know what to expect, but it wasn't that,
Pretty good.
and it was really good.
How many acts? There's 16 acts
Yeah.
at
It
this
was
place.
good. There was like people and boats fishing and cows and ducks.
Dragons
and
breathing
dragons
fire.
And squirting water.
Yep,
and
highly
loved it.
recommended.
Yeah. Now we're just going to go and get some dinner and then end the night.
Yep. Didn't end up ending the night.
Well, I did say we're going to go have dinner.
Yep. Well, dinner is here. Bui Vien Walking Street. Yep. Party Central. Ending the night again.
For real. We
For
went,
real?
went and had dinner. It was pretty crazy. Party
At the-
town.
At Party Central.
Mhm.
Yep. At the Walking Street.
Yeah.
End it here. For real this time.
Yeah. We'll see you in Cambodia.
Mm-hmm.
Peace.
Starting the morning.
Wait, let me talk. Well, you got the wrong hand.
Oh.
Whoa, what are they? Are they axolotls? So we have walked to the Saigon Skydeck. Huh? So, that was me for a second.
Mm-hmm.
Are you close?
You're close.